Hello and welcome to my channel, fellow learners. Today, we're delving into Class 9 English, Unit 9, Work and Leisure, Reading 1, The Ant and the Grasshopper, Exercise Solution. If you find value in our discussions and solutions, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming lessons and helpful content. A. Choose the appropriate words given below to replace the underlined words in the given sentences. Industry, hilarious, qualm, enticements, obliged, amendments, expostulations. A. If your talent combines with diligence, you can excel in your field. Answer, industry. B. The dessert menu has a lot of delicious temptations. Answer, enticements. C. The House passed the bill without listening to the public objections. Answer, expostulations. D. Knowledge of the ill effects of tobacco has led to modifications in smoking behavior. Answer, amendments. E. Without any regret, Yule started spending his father's inheritance. Answer, qualm. F. Mr. Smith read a humorous story which matched his real life. Answer, hilarious. B. Put the following sentences from the story in the correct order. The correct order is A. The Ramseys were perfectly respectable people. B. Tom left his wife and his office. C. When his money was spent, he borrowed it from friends and spent it on luxuries. D. George continued to pay for his brother's expenses. E. Tom promised to make a fresh start. F. Tom bought a motor car and some very nice jewelry. G. Tom never settled down. H. Tom began to blackmail his brother for money. I. Tom took the help of Cronshaw to cheat his brother, and left for Monte Carlo. C. Answer the following questions. A. Why is Tom described as the black sheep of the Ramsey family? Answer. Tom was a black sheep in Ramsey's family because he always created problems. B. What was a respectable profession for Tom? Answer. To serve in a bar or to drive a taxi was a respectable profession to Tom. C. Why was George Ramsey staring into space? Answer. George Ramsey was staring into space because his only brother, Tom, troubled him very much. D. Why did Tom leave his work and wife? Answer. Tom left his work and wife because he wanted to enjoy himself. E. How did Tom manage his life when he ran out of money in the beginning? Answer. Tom managed his life when he ran out of money at first by borrowing from friends. F. How did Cronshaw and Tom cheat George? Answer. Cronshaw and Tom cheated George by creating a fake case at the court. G. What made George realize that his brother would never settle down? Answer. George gave Tom considerable sums for amendment which Tom spent to buy a car and jewelry. Such situations forced George to realize that his brother would settle down. H. What is the moral of the story, The Ant and Grasshopper? Answer. The story writer takes a different approach to the moral of the traditional fable, presenting a contrasting perspective. Instead of emphasizing the notion that honesty and hard work lead to success, the story delves into the darker aspects of life, suggesting that not everyone who is honest and diligent will necessarily achieve prosperity. However, despite this portrayal, the narrative also carries a message of optimism, encouraging readers to maintain a positive outlook even during difficult times. Grammar 1. Causative verbs. A. Fill in the gaps with the correct form of have, get or make. Answer is in red color with underlined. A. Did they make you give a speech on behalf of the group? B. Instead of buying a new car, why don't you get the old one fixed? C. I will get my hair cut tomorrow morning. D. The teacher gets every one of us to write an essay yesterday. E. Ms. Shrestha usually gets her hair dried at the hairdresser's. F. My mum always makes me clean my room on Saturdays. G. I got my landlord to fix the broken window pane this morning. H. Suman had all the maths problems solved by the teacher. B. Rewrite the sentences with have, get or make. A. She will ask her sister to light the lamp. Answer. She will make her sister light the lamp. B. I am going to ask the dentist to fill my teeth. Answer. I get the dentist to fill my teeth. C. Will you ask the barber to cut your hair? Answer. I get the barber to cut my hair. D. I can't design my house myself. So I am going to ask an architect to do it. Answer. I have an architect design my house. E. The girl asked her mechanic to repair her moped. Answer. She got her mechanic to repair her moped. F. The landlady asks the gardener to cut the grass. Answer. The landlady makes the gardener cut the grass. C. Choose the best alternatives and complete the sentences. Answer. A. Meena got Shambhu to carry her suitcase. B. Rita had Ankit wash her clothes. C. They got me to dance at my brother's wedding. D. Kumari was made to turn on the television. E. Basha got new books, bought her last week. F. Upendra got Mukesh to watch his house. G. My father is very kind. He never makes us do heavy work. H. The film was very humorous. It made us all laugh throughout the film. I. His hair was too long. So he had it cut yesterday. J. The manager made his secretary attend the conference. K. Matthew made the mechanic overhaul his car. L. Smith had Jacques fetched a pail of water. M. My maths teacher asked us to remember all the theorems. In other words, we were made remembered all the theorems. Writing 1. C. Interpret the bar chart above using appropriate verbs. Make comparisons where applicable. Answer. The chart illustrates the daily attendance of students across different months. According to the chart, attendance peaked in October with 27 students, followed by September with 24. However, attendance declined in November to 21 students and further dropped in December to 17. Overall, we can see that attendance fluctuated throughout the months, with October having the highest attendance and December having the lowest. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. I will be right back. Stay tuned for more content.